Have you ever been down in the dump, always feeling helpless or worthless? No matter what you do, you just cannot seem to be happy. Well, if you have felt this way, then maybe it could be a sign of depression. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Amar Irfan bin Azhar Sharil. So I want to give a speech about depression. Okay, depression is classified as a mood disorder. It may be described as feeling of sadness, loss or anger that interfere with a person's everyday activity. Depression varies from a person to person, but there are some common signs and effects. It's important to remember that this effect can be part of life's normal law. The more effect you have, the stronger they are. One of the effects is feeling of helplessness and hopelessness, which means nothing will ever get better, then there's nothing you can do to improve your situation. Besides that, you feel loss of interest in daily activity. You don't care anymore about former hobbies or social activity. You have lost your ability to feel joy and pleasure, and then you loss of energy. You can feel fatigued, sluggish and physically drained. Your whole body may feel heavy, and even small tasks are exhausting or take longer to complete. Okay, now I want to talk about depression cause. One of the cause is feeling loneliness and isolation. There are strong relationship between loneliness and depression. Not only can lack of social support heighten your risk for depression, but having depression can cause you withdraw from others, exacerbating a feeling of isolation. Besides that, chronic illness or pain, unmanaged pain or being diagnosed with serious illness such as cancer, heart disease or diabetes can trigger feeling of hopelessness and even lead to depression. Okay, then early childhood trauma or abuse. Early life stress such as childhood trauma, abuse or bullying can make you more susceptible to a number of future health conditions including depression. So on this, I will conclude, if you have symptoms of depression, better for you to seek the support. Brooke Davis once said, sometimes life will kick you around, but sooner or later, you realize you are not just a survivor. You as warrior, and you are stronger than anything life throw you away. That's all for me. Thank you for listening to my speech.